Hi guys, today I want to show you how to create a Canvas app to work with ChatGPT. There are two ways to work with the ChatGPT. The first is use the Power Automate Flow. The other is use Custom Connector. So in this video, I will try to use the Power Automate Flow. So firstly, let's create a blank Canvas app. Then we add a text input for the question. So just change the mode to multiply. Then just remove the default value. And we can add a hint text. Input your question. And rename it. Okay, then we just add a button. Let's change the label to ask. Rename it to button ask. Then we just add a gallery to show the chat between the user and ChatGPT. So let's add layout, flexible height gallery here. Okay, we'll just leave it here. We'll use it later. So if we use Power Automate, so we have to create Power Automate first, and then create this flow firstly. Let's click this button to create a new flow here. Create from blank. So here we just rename it to demo flow. Okay, then we just add new step. So here we have two options. The first option is we use HTTP request to interact with the ChatGPT. The second option is we use custom connector. This connector was created in my last video. So for here, I will use HTTP request. Okay, here. So we will use post method and the UI. Okay, maybe we can just go to my post here, this one. We can scroll down to this part. We just copy the URL here and go back to UI. The header. The header, actually there are two parameters. One is authentication. Oh no, also authorization. The authorization. Then it starts with barrier, then follow a blank, then your API key. Okay, then the next is the content type. Just copy here, then copy the value, application, JSON. I will put this URL in this video's description for reference. Then for the body, we can copy the body here. But for this promote parameter, this is a question. So I prefer to get a question from Power Apps. So just remove this sample. Then I will get it from the Power Apps. Okay, so let's save it. Okay, it will jump back to the Canvas app. Then I will try to use this flow. So go to this buttons on select property. So once this button is clicked, so I will trigger this flow, demo flow run, the IPT question text. Okay, let's make a try. Like, how are you? Okay, let's go to the flow here. Let's refresh. You will see the flow you just created. This one. Let's click the flow. Oh, it's got a field. Let's look at what happened. So here, oh yes, sorry. I need to set the correct API key. So if you don't know where to apply for this API key, you can go to my post and go to this website. So you can sign up for API key. So I have updated my API key already. So let's try again. Click ask. Then go to demo. Okay, this time it succeeded. Click it. So you will see the response. So we just copy. This is output, right? We just copy the body here. You can click Control A, just select all, then Control C, copy, then just click Edit, then just click Next Step. We need to pass the response. Then we just get the response from the output. So we just add pass JSON. The content is the body, HTTP body. We just insert the sample. This is copied from the write history. Okay, they just click done. Just save. Okay, so next we need to add one more step. We can just try use compose. Compose here, and so here we can try to get the choices. As you can see previously, the text here, the text is the response from the ChatGPT. So the choice is an array type. So we have to. So here we just get the choices here. Let's look at its pig code. Then we just copy here, copy the value. Then done. Then just remove that. Just paste 0. Then we just get the text. Click OK. Okay, now let's give it a try. Okay, so you can see this is the response we have get the response from the chat, from the output of HTTP. Good. Then we can go ahead. So we just add one more step is for response apps. Respond to the power apps. So we just copy this value here, Control A, Control X. So we don't need this anymore. We just add output. So choose text type. You can see response the value. Go to expression, click OK. Then we just remove this. We don't need it anymore. Save. Okay, just remember the response parameter. Okay, then we just go back to the to this Canvas app. Let's refresh firstly. Okay, so next we need to update our onSelect operation. So here we can just use, okay, let's remove it from start. We can see collect chat, collect chat. Then we can set message. The IPT question text. So we will, each time we will save the question and the answer. So this step is we save the question. Then the next parameter is user. We just identify the message is created by user or not. So this one is true. The next. Then we just continue collect. Same collection. This time we will collect the response, the answer from the ChatGPT. So here the message is demo flow run IPT question dot text response. This is the response. The user false. Okay, that's it. So let's give it a try. So how are you? Then we're gonna see what's the meaning of AI, like okay, so now let's close it, go to the collection, we can have a look. Nice. So you can see the how are you is I asked, right? The user true. Then I'm doing well, thanks for asking. This is from the ChatGPT. The user set to false. Then what's the meaning of AI is my question, right? The answer. Okay, perfect. Then next, we will show this chat in this gallery. So this gallery is, do you remember? This gallery is flexible height gallery because we because the answer, the height of the answer is not fixed, right? So we have to use a flexible height. So here, so select this gallery, then we choose layout. You can choose the last one. Then we can, okay, we just need only one field. So we can remove the first one, but they have some relationship of their height or y property. So let's look at this one. We just keep this one. So go to the advanced. So you can see in the y, okay, we just set it to delete it and just keep checking. Is there any other? This one, the height, I think we don't have other. We can try to delete this one. Oh no, a second, let's go back. So this one, maybe the width. Oh, okay, the width is title 2. Title 2 is this one. So this title, this is title 2. The width, okay, its parent, we just remove image width. Okay, so we just copy this width, set to 8. And the y, just remove it. Okay, now we can delete it. Okay, perfect. So here we just drag to the left, then try to make it shorter. And next we just copy, paste, and just drag to the right. Then we change the background to blue, this one. The left one, we change the background color to green. Then we just adjust the height of each ruler. Okay, now we just choose this this gallery and set that source to cool chat. Okay, we can have a look. So for now, firstly we need to set the visibility. So the left one, I prefer the left one is for user, the right one for ChatGPT. So click the left one, go to its visible, then just say this item dot user. That means if user is true, it will be visible. This one, go to its visible to this item user. Okay, so let's have a look. Oh, it's not good. So here, just click it, turn on the auto height, and body 2, this one, auto height. Okay, let's have a look. try again. Meaning of ChatGPT. But not good enough. So let's have a look. Okay, but it's still not good enough. Body to well, let's just keep it. So just expand the height. Okay, now let's try again. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. So you can see we have successfully used the Canvas app to work with ChatGPT. So yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. In the next video, I will show you how to create the Canvas app to work with the ChatGPT through the connector, through the custom connector. Yeah, thank you.